Now to see our Wi-Fi password on Windows, we first have to navigate to the Start menu on the taskbar and right-click on it. Then with this selected, proceed to tap on Run, and then a pop-up menu will appear on this interface. Make sure to type 𝗕𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗕 and then continue to tap on OK. And this will redirect you to an interface like this with a bunch of network connections. In this case, we're going to locate our Wi-Fi connection. Then on it, make sure to select it and then right-click on it and proceed to tap on Status, and a pop-up menu will appear. Continue to proceed on Wireless Properties, and then here we're going to tap on Security, and this will open our Wi-Fi network security key, which is our password. Now for you to see it, you can proceed to tap on Show Character, and you will be able to see your Wi-Fi password here. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to give it a like and subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video.